See all the cars, like when the cars are signaling, you actually will show the cars.
Okay, so actually I was not recording, Kyle. What do you think about that?
That's even better.
That's even better. So, all right, so I'm in Tesla Model Y. My buddy Kyle from LA. Say hi, Kyle.
What's up, Serge?
What's up? So we're in a full self-driving Tesla Model Y. And as you guys can see, we're in traffic right here. There's traffic everywhere. The car is driving completely by itself. His hands are off. So at some point, we're gonna make a turn.
In 0.7 miles.
And in 0.7 miles, we're gonna make a full turn. Still, he hasn't touched the wheel.
So you can see this truck is getting into our lane right now.
And then,
and you see how like the signals, his signal went off.
Yeah.
When he signals, the signal shows, and this car is getting into the.
Yep, there's the car actually, right there. So there is another car. Let's see if it picks that. Yep, right there. So that's the car coming out of the parking lot on the side. That's the semi, and that's that car right there. So it's literally like kind of seeing eye dog kind of a thing at the moment. This is pretty cool, and we haven't touched the wheel yet. Well, he nudged the wheel a couple times, to be honest.
I have to nudge it to tell
it that somebody's here.
Yeah, it's not.
Okay.
I'm not sleeping behind the wheel.
Oh, it's for those knuckleheads who completely take naps. Yeah, that's not gonna work.
So I could go like this to.
You know, I saw that they had some stuff on the internet. They're selling that it gives the steering wheel
like they put
a nudge.
Weight,
Exactly. Yeah, man, that's stupid.
I mean, like you're only cheating yourself, right?
Well, cheating yourself to death.
Life. And like if I tell it to change lane, see, it's change the lane right now.
How did you do that?
I just told it to change lane.
Oh, just voice?
Yeah. No, I told it with a signal.
Oh, with a signal.
When
Okay.
I signal and say I want to go left, it's going to try to get over to the next lane.
Okay.
So I just go like that.
The signals? Or you just signal and then we change lanes?
Change lanes. So,
okay, now it's braking, slowing down.
I don't know why it stopped there.
Okay, it kind of got confused. Okay.
Right.
These are the growing pains.
Yeah.
Now, here's a question. We make fun of...
You know why?
Why?
You were supposed to turn there and I took over. That's why.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like you wanted to go over there and I told it to take over and then I
So that's on you.
It's on me because it was supposed to change.
It was supposed to change and you confused the thing. Okay.
See, like right now, see, it's trying to go back to the...
Yeah, it's trying to go back to where it was and then you're still overriding it. Okay.
Yeah, right now I basically overrode this thing.
Okay. You know, now we know why AVs are not working out that well, okay? Let me tell you something, people. I mean, look, I don't mind it. I think it's pretty cool. But I don't think this thing is ready for prime time yet. Do you agree as the owner of this car?
Well, I definitely think there's the work to be done.
Yeah.
It's probably, I would say maybe 70-75% handle, but still, you know, Elon's not going to release this until I'm pretty sure at least 99%.
Yeah. So how long do you think there is time for 99%? Another 5 years?
I hope not.
Hope not? Okay.
Yeah. So we're going to go back to our lunch place.
Okay. We're going to go back to our lunch place. So it's going to make a turn. Okay, here it is. There's the wheel.
So here you go.
This is a 90-degree turn at a green light. Oh my God, that's an aggressive turn, bro.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Look at it.
Oh my God, that was an aggressive turn, people. I wouldn't have turned like that. Let me tell you. Okay, so I was thinking that thing is gonna like slow down. No, that thing just kind of went whoop.
This car, there's a very aggressive lane change lanes.
I can tell.
And like when you're in the freeway and there's a slow car.
Okay, we're about to make a turn at a stop sign now.
So we will have to stop.
Okay,
so
let's see. You'll see if he's gonna do this right.
Do a California stop, and you will actually say, "I'm creeping forward." See, stopping for sign.
Yeah. Let's see if the turn is aggressive on this one. No, this is a lot smoother. The one at the green light was like really aggressive turn, bro. I'm like, okay, all right. Okay.
So you can see like people walking on the side.
Yeah, I'm recording that. So it's seeing all the cars literally like parked on the street like this. Okay, this is the street that we're on.
There's a pedestrian walking across here.
Oh, it saw that. Yeah. This is pretty cool.
Yes.
I don't know if I would trust my life with this thing, but
Well, I mean, if you have to still obviously, you know.
okay, there is like what is that? We're about to run over something.
Going around the
yeah,
the
man.
Look at that. See that?
That was awesome. There was like a plywood or something object.
Oh,
it went right around it. Okay, so hold on.
Look at it. It says creeping forward
it's
for
creeping
visibility.
forward, and this is like a massive turn right here, and it turned and it went into the lane that it's supposed to go into.
Now it's going to change lane to follow route because we got to make a right turn.
Okay, so let's watch that one. So here it goes.
Yeah, so we're going to be making a right turn at the light.
So it saw the, I don't know, does it see the cars?
What?
Yeah, it just saw the cars. Okay.
There's all the cars lined up here.
Okay, so here we go. So this is the turn. And this is the turn we're doing. Yeah, oh my God, this is no stop, just turn.
Holy crap. It's a green light.
No, you're supposed to stop.
That's a green light. Why would you stop?
Really?
Yeah.
Without stopping? Slowing down? What if pedestrians that were there?
Well, you would stop. It was a pedestrian there. No, they're very sensitive with people.
Okay.
The car is definitely like very hesitant when it gets like see any human objects.
Okay.
Right? But it's a green light, and so why would you stop?
I was like, wow. It didn't even slow down, bro. This thing is aggressive. Let me tell you, it's a lot more aggressive than I thought it would be.
Right, but
I'm thinking this would be like, let me just slow down here.
See, like right now, you try to go to there because you had a slow car and there was an open lane. So you will make like these. Basically, it's making its own decision. Like, watch here, right?
Okay, so there's two cars stopped, so it's stopping obviously. There's a car, Jeep coming, cutting us off. Not cutting us off, but. Okay, see, this is
this is where they get a little,
confused,
slow. But I'm letting the car make, like I'm not taking over, right? There's a motor. Look at that motorcycle flying through there.
Yeah. And it saw the red lights. Okay. Yeah, this is cool. I mean, yeah.
I mean, tell me, Serge, isn't this better than you expected?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Yeah, because I thought it would be like very conservative.
Yeah, and it was like when I first bought the car.
Yeah.
But
it's definitely not as conservative.
It's like, I think, like, I don't know, I don't want to say it's aggressive, but I feel like it's confident.
Yeah, for sure.
It feels like
this definitely feels like a very seasoned driver that makes turns and things in a fashion that a newbie wouldn't do.
Yeah, like I said, like normally if we're not like making a right turn or something, you would just go past this car because there's a slower car in front of you.
I agree.
Right? So it's like now it's stopping. It's like, see, like blue comes, it just means I need to nudge the.
I agree. No, this is interesting. It definitely needs work, but this is interesting.
Like the overview of the whole intersection.
Yeah, all the cars around us.
Little bicycle just went
So
by.
this is a camera-based system, or LiDAR, or radar, or what is it? It's all cameras.
Camera.
So you have all these cameras around the car.
Yeah, it's basically.
And it's feeding all this information into some computer somewhere.
Yep. I mean, think about the amount of calculations the car is doing.
And they're learning.
Yeah,
right?
learning to basically the newest version is going to not actually use camera to. It's gonna literally. Not learn, it's going to make decisions.
Well, it is making decisions.
Right, but I'm just saying, like before, the reason you need all this camera data is because they got to feed it to the server so the car knows what the streets or whatever environment.
See, here it's like a human wouldn't do that, but they got a little nervous there.
Yeah, so I didn't stop it. I let it go.
Yeah.
Right, but what I'm saying in the early stages, it needed the data to show that this is what this street looks like.
Yeah.
Right? But then here comes a pedestrian.
Okay, this is cool. Okay, watch. The guy's on a crosswalk.
Yeah, see?
He just walked. The car is slowing down.
It's slowing down.
Yeah. All right, you're safe, sir.
Right? So I believe the next beta version, what it has is essentially, it doesn't need the data.
Yeah.
It's going to see with the camera and then make decisions off of whatever the camera sees.
Yeah.
Not by what it was fed before from previous old data.
Okay. So I'm gonna say goodbye to everybody. It's Kyle. Thank you so much. Thumbs up to Kyle. And thank you, Tesla, Elon. This is pretty cool. We'll do this again like in 6 months maybe. Let's see the improvement. How about that? All right, everybody. Take care.